This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Danae Davidson. This beautiful and well-cared-for home in Clearwater is available for the perfect buyer. The open floor plan offers a spacious feel immediately upon entering. Enjoy your engaging with friends and family from kitchen bar that overlooks the living room. Set up a relaxing retreat or home office in the enclosed bonus room that has views of the large fenced backyard and included shed. This bonus room is not included in the heated square feet. The screened-in lanai would be perfect for watching the Bucs win another Super Bowl. Located about 6.5 miles from Clearwater Beach and 2.5 miles to Main Street Dunedin, both offering many festivals, art shows, farmers markets and activities. For more information, review the details below.